Hey guys, welcome back to my BlackArch tool demoing series. Today the tool we're going to be looking at is XSStrike, which is a tool, like a suite of tools for testing for cross-site scripting vulnerabilities on websites. So let's see what options are available to us when we start it up, just like that. Alright, so the URL option is what we'll be using today, and the seeds option. Because we'll be using this tool to crawl, also I'll explain how it works in a moment. But there are other options like update. It has a fuzzer, and some other cool stuff. So anyway, let's use it on my home page. So -u and hackguru.tech. Alright, scanning. And when you put this in, it only checks that one URL. So when in the output we'll be getting it outputs only for the URL that you input. So if you wanted to add other URLs with the seeds function, I'll show you how to do that. This scan only scanned my home page, but it didn't find anything, and XSStrike will be more likely to find vulnerabilities if we give it seeds, also known as a list of site URLs, so it can crawl the site at the same time as testing for cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. Also, it works better when you give it a URL with parameters in the query string. So right now, I'll just show you an example. This is some data I collected when I was doing a bug bounty program. As you can see in the query string, which is the end of the URL that has the parameters, it has data equal 2021, page 2, down here. There's some more URLs with parameters, and these are the URLs that you would want to feed these into the XSS or the XSStrike tool, because it will find that's how it will find the majority of its vulnerabilities. So anyway, next we'll run the seeds function. So let me show you what the seeds file looks like first. Here's another window. Okay, so I added just a bunch of URLs from my website. There's some posts and some of the websites that were on the nav bar. So I added only 5 in here, and you'll be surprised at how much stuff it finds. Every once in a while it will find false positives too. So anyway, that is a little minor problem of this tool that I noticed when I was using it. It found false positives that weren't really useful, but you'll find it to work most of the time. So anyway, let's do cross-site XSSstrike --seeds, and we'll input that file we just showed. So home/lego myego/seed1. Alright, and it starts the tool up. Okay, so this is an example of what it looks like when it finds vulnerabilities. It'll pop up with these little notifications. I'm actually canceling the scan because I want to show you how to run it in a more efficient way that will fit your workflow. So let's do the same thing we did last time, seeds and the seed file, and then just add a greater than symbol on, and say you want it to create a file with the results. So XSStrike output.txt is what we'll call it. So let's run that, and as you can see, there's no output because it's piping our results directly to this file. So you'll notice that in this directory, I'll show you real quick, it may be in there already. Yep, XSSstrike output.txt. Let's cat that. Whoops, sorry. Okay, there it goes. And this is the output that you would look through in that file. And yeah, this is a vulnerability. It says vulnerability in data template. So yeah, that's what it's like when it finds vulnerabilities, guys. And when, let's see here, I'll show you something else. So yeah, so if you open the tool with if you open the output with a text file program, you just do Control F like so, and you can type in like vulnerability, and we'll go to the part. So the XSStrike actually has a whole lot of, it will return huge outputs to you sometimes, so you'll want to search that output in an effective way. Also, another way you could search that output is to pipe the cat of the XSStrike output into grep, and you could look for vulnerability. Sorry. Okay, there it is. So potentially found. Yeah, so that's just how to manage the output. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial I gave on XSStrike. It's actually probably one of the best tools for cross-site scripting you'll find. And if you want to learn more, just go to the GitHub here I'm showing you now. There's a whole lot of features in this tool, crawling, there's more ways to do that, and brute forcing, and discovering parameters. So, alright guys, that's all for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my website, hackguru.tech, for more. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.